mewing doesn't work. I'm a guy who's been mewing for several years now and recently stopped because of the zero progress I was making. Some people just want that sharp, defined jawline faster and in a safe way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you could do that without mewing. Now let's debunk a huge myth: spot reduction. It's a tempting idea, right? Imagine doing jaw exercises and hoping that the fat will melt away just at our jaw, right where we want it to. Unfortunately, this won't work, guys. Exercises can tone our jawline and grow our masseter muscles, but with a layer of fat covering it, all the exercise will be for nothing. To sharpen that jawline and reveal those hollow cheeks, we need to focus on lowering our overall body fat percentage. And how do we do that? Just good old-fashioned balanced diet and exercise. Maintaining a calorie deficit of 500 calories from your usual intake will slowly but surely reduce body fat across the entire body, including the face. Also, regular physical activity like running, cycling, and skipping can boost this process, helping us burn more calories and improve our overall health. Alright, now that you started to reveal that jawline by shedding off that fat, let's get into shaping up and toning those masseter muscles for a more sculpted jawline. Chewing gum can be an excellent workout for your jaw, but not just any gum. You are going to want to purchase either Mastic Gum or Film Gum. These types of gum will ensure you are putting enough stress on your masseter muscles for growth to occur. I myself purchased Film Gum, a cheaper alternative to Mastic Gum. It doesn't have the nicest flavor, but by chewing on this for 30 to 60 minutes a day, I saw drastic results. Treat it like any other muscle you would work out in the gym, is able to be toned and strengthened after regular use. But remember, moderation is key. Too much gum chewing can lead to TMJ issues and soreness. A sharp jawline isn't just about the muscle and body fat, it's also about the canvas it sits on, your skin. To get that crisp, defined look, we need skin that's firm and elastic. We have two key components needed for skin elasticity: vitamin A and retinol. These ingredients are powerhouses in boosting collagen production, which keeps the skin around your jaw tight, enhancing that sharp look. Now, we need a component to piece all the last three steps together that frames our jawline: the neck. But I know what you're thinking. How is the neck going to improve my jawline? A well-defined neck can make your jawline stand out even more. Imagine a skinny neck with a rock-hard jawline. No girl's gonna like that. It's all about creating that visual harmony. For exercises you could do, you could use your own hand for resistance, or even a small weight placed on the back of your head and do small movements up, down, and side to side. Just remember, the neck is delicate, so we're talking light weights and slow, controlled movements, preferably using a workout bench. Incorporate these exercises 2 to 3 times a week into your fitness routine, and you should see results in no problem. So now you got that thick neck and rock-hard jawline that girls love, but if you don't have an aesthetic physique to go with it, then even the best jawline won't save you. So click this video to not miss out.